Good afternoon, guys. Today, here we are with one more topic, that is trademark. So, trademark is nothing but a name, or we can say logo, tagline, slogan, design, sound, touch, smell, a combination of these elements which are given to represent their company or to represent their product, which nobody can use for their commercial benefits. Okay, so this is all about what a kind of brand we can say, branding your products or company we say. Okay, for example, Audi, Apple, so those are what they are using some symbols for branding their products. Whereas Maggie is the name given by imagining the by listening to this Maggie word itself, we can imagine Maggie is nothing but kind of noodles. Then you go to Colgate. Colgate is again a name, a word we can say, which immediately clicks in our mind about toothpaste. So trademark is just a word, slogan, or symbol, a design, a combination of these things which identifies and distinguishes the goods or services. Okay, goods or services of one party from others. Okay, so Audi's goods or services will be different from others. So they are just branding their products. Okay, so we can say the trademark, here some examples are given. Word mark is like IBM we can say, and I have said you some ICICI. So those are what word marks. Then come to slogan we can say I'm loving it, that is McDonald's slogan. Nike slogan is there, that is just do it. So these are the slogans which are used as a trademark. Next we have some shapes. So Coke bottle is having 3D shape, so its shape cannot be copied or cannot be used by other companies. Okay, and we have some brands like uh, tortoise for mosquito coil, and letters trademark is also there like LG and IBM. These are letters trademark. Then we have some label trademark, like we see that pantaloon shirts, so they are having label on it. Then we have some number trademarks, numerical trademarks like 303 capsules is a numerical trademark. Next, we have some symbol or logos trademarks like Tata, ICICI, LIC. These are having symbol as well as logos, so as their trademark. Then we have some shape of goods. Okay, so as I've said you, this Coke bottle is having its specific shape which cannot be copied by other companies. Next, we have some title trademarks like for magazines, for books. We have some trademarks for books also. So in for example, India Today, okay, Outlook or Femina. These are what title of book or magazine trademarks which cannot be copied or cannot be used by others. Okay, so this is all about trademarks and some examples. Okay, then we need to understand one more thing here. There should be some trademark registration process. Okay, so trademark registration is having some benefits also, and there is one process for doing this trademark registration. Okay, so firstly what we have to do is we have to identify the class of our product. So basically there are 45 classes. How many? 45 classes are there. Under that we have two classes again. Class 1 to 35 is specified for goods, whereas class 36 to 45 is specified for services. Okay, so class 1 to 35 is for goods and 36 to 45 is for services. For example, I can say if you are having a coffee product which has to be given one trademark, so that coffee product is comes under the class 30. Okay, and if you're having some private education business, then you can have the trade class for your trademark as 41. Okay, and one more thing here we have to note down that there are some top brands like Apple, Audi. These will register their products in all the classes so that nobody can use their trademark. Okay, so you can provide the trademark under the specific class also. You can register your brand in all the classes also. Okay, so this is all about, first we have to identify the class of our product or company. Next is what? Registration fees. So we have to pay the registration fees here. So the registration fees will be for small scale industries or startup industries, there is 4,500 rupees should be paid. Next, we have to produce some documents. So, what documents we have to produce? It includes business name, business logo, photocopy of it, and lastly, your name, your address, your nationality proof should be provided under the documentation. Okay, so next you have to mention the class as I've discussed it. Class 1 to 45 there are different class. Goods class is different, service class is different. So here which class product or company is there, that has to be mentioned. Okay, next is what? Your verification takes the time period of 1.5 to 2 years. For trademark, as whatever the registration is done, after that the verification process only takes 2 years of time. Until then you can use the logo TM under your products. TM with circle, capital TM and circle over that is used if you are applied for trademark. Okay, if once the registration is done, under your product logo or symbol or slogan, there is a symbol that is R, capital R and circle over it. So most of the top brands are having, I can give the example of Starbucks, so that is having red R under its logo. So like that, after the registration only you'll get R and circle or your trademark. So one more thing you can ask me, that in the patent you have got only 20 years of time. Okay, so but here there is no time limit for trademark here. But one thing you have to follow is, after 10 years, after 10 years each time you have to renovate your trademark registration. Okay, so this is all about what trademark. So the benefits are like nationwide use as a filling date, and then you can see that there is a proof that registrant is owner of the mark, and nothing but you'll get one ownership mark over your product, so that nobody can copy or nobody can use your product without your permission, or without the permission they cannot steal the logo of your products also. For example, I can say if a person struggled very hard and I can say constructed his company, say XYZ, and XYZ become a brand now, and if another person comes and same XYZ brand he uses, a logo he uses, but he has not done any hard work for it, but he will get that success, he will get the profit in the name of XYZ brand. Okay, so the owner will face the losses. So it should not happen. You should be like safe, so that you should have the trademark for your product or company. Okay, so this is all about what? Trademark. So next is what? Copyright.